Academy. So in today's video we are going to study about औरंगजेब's tomb. ठीक है, और औरंगजेब के टोम से कुछ मैसेज, कुछ आई वुड से मैसेजेस फ्रॉम द ग्रेव, इस तरीके के कुछ लेसन्स लेने की कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है, so why are we studying about the tomb of Aurangzeb is because of the controversy associated to the movie Chhawa. ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से there has been political debates, there has been violence in Nagpur. कि the real issue was कि why did it end into violence in Nagpur is because छावा मूवी में ये दिखाया गया है कि औरंगजेब had killed संभाजी. ठीक है, who was the son of शिवाजी. Now that historically all of this is correct. ठीक है, but यहाँ से ये बात sprung up हुई कि because औरंगजेब had killed छावा, so औरंगजेब्स tomb should also not be existing. ठीक है, और इसमें the politicians are making statements like बाबरी मस्जिद जैसा कुछ acts होने चाहिए. ठीक है, so that is what has sparked the controversy कि औरंगजेब के tomb से related. ठीक है, now talking about, before we enter into the Aurangzeb's tombs discussion, here we are discussing about some of the tombs of fathers or grandfathers of Aurangzeb. ठीक है, अकबर का, बाबर का, हुमायूं का, जहांगीर का. if you see the tomb, तो इट इज वेरी वेरी लैविश. बहुत अलग अलग जगह से पत्थर मंगाए गए, बहुत अलग अलग जगह से लोगों को बनाया गया, बुलाया गया टू क्रिएट दोस टॉम्ब्स. ठीक है, बट इफ यू सी द टॉम्ब ऑफ औरंगजेब, दिस इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल एंड हम्बल, वेरी वेरी सिंपल एंड हम्बल. ठीक है, सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट औरंगजेब्स टॉम्ब, जो एक सूफी सेंट की श्राइन पर बना है, it is inside the shrine of Sheikh Zainuddin, जो कि 14th century के सेंट थे. ठीक है, and this is a very small and humble tomb. ठीक है, but the significance lies not in the tomb, it lies in the place. This place is very very close to Ellora, और अगर एलोरा की बात की जाए तो इसका religious significance is immense, not only for Islam, not only for Hinduism but also for Buddhism, Jainism and so many other. एलोरा अपने आप में एक वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट है. we know this कि यूनेस्को की वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट है. so it is obviously very well known for the कैलाशनाथ टेम्पल. इन सभी केव साइट्स में कैलाशनाथ टेम्पल इज द मोस्ट स्पेशल वन. ठीक है, और ये जो एलोरा का सिग्निफिकेंस है कि दिस टर्न्ड आउट टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे जैन टेम्पल्स हैं, बहुत सारे बुद्धिस्ट टेम्पल्स हैं. This place held religious significance for almost all the Mughal rulers. Not only Mughal rulers, Sultanate, the kings, Mahabani kingdom के rulers और विजयनगर kingdom के rulers के लिए भी this place holds a very important position. तो because it was religiously so significant, तो धीरे धीरे इस जगह पे सूफी सेंट्स आने लगे. ठीक है, there were so many चिश्ती सेक्ट के, बहुत सारे सेक्ट के लोग यहाँ पर आकर के सेटल होने लगे, which spoke about the peaceful side of Islam. ठीक है, and if we know this by fact कि औरंगजेब was a religious bigot, तो इनका रिलेशनशिप किसी भी और रिलीजन के साथ अच्छा नहीं रहा था. Although initially it was not so bad, but later on it was so that he had destroyed the temples. ठीक है, he was not in favor of other sect of Islam as well in later stages. ठीक है, so इसलिए भी इनका I would say कि लाइफ के एंड आते आते he started learning these lessons कि ये सभी चीजें मैटर नहीं करती है. that is one principal reason he decided that his tomb should also be lying within the Chishti saints shrine, I would say. ठीक है, he realized this fact कि although being a religious bigot, when you are at the end of your life, at the close to the end of your life, you are not you only need to be humble. ठीक है, and in that case he decided that his grave needs to be very very humble. एक saint के श्राइन के अंदर में he decided that his tomb shall be lying. ठीक है, but talking about कि एलोरा, why एलोरा is because I told you कि बहुत सारे रिलीजन जो भी इंडिया में उस समय परसिस्टेंट रिलीजन्स थे, उन सब के लिए हब सेंटर वाज एलोरा. ठीक है, so he also decided कि he will also be shifting back to Ellora. Although he was there in Ellora fighting against Marathas, so he died in and around that region, and then he decided कि वो उसी सेंट के श्राइन में रखा जाएगा, his tomb will be kept, his body will be kept at that position, ठीक है। इसी कॉम्प्लेक्स में his own son and his grandson, they have also been, ठीक है। So talking about Aurangzeb died on 20th of February 1707 and he was one of the longest surviving kings, longest। एक अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे ना कि अकबर के टाइम में मुगल एम्पायर का क्या रूल था और औरंगजेब के टाइम पे मुगल एम्पायर का क्या साइज था, तो मुगल एम्पायर वाज वेरी वेरी लार्ज एज कंपेयर टू अकबर्स रेजिम ड्यूरिंग औरंगजेब्स रेजिम, ठीक है। So one of the longest serving kings of India, and talking about his religious policies, initially it was not he was not that religious fanatic, I should say, ठीक है। But later on अगर आप देखोगे तो religious stringency आने लगी थी, ठीक है। He had set up मुतासिब जो कि ये चेक करेंगे, these will the officials who will go and check कि everybody is living as per Sharia or not. So everybody was supposed to follow the Islamic civil laws itself, ठीक है। Apart from this, he had also destroyed so many temples in Mathura also, so many places where he has destroyed temples, ठीक है। And he was against जाट also. गुरु तेज बहादुर सिंह का भी he had killed गुरु तेज बहादुर सिंह also, ठीक है, जो कि एक प्रिंसिपल रीजन था कि जाट्स हैड रेबेल्ड अगेंस्ट मुगल्स। धीरे धीरे आई वुड से कि औरंगजेब को अलग अलग एरियाज से रेबेलियस ग्रुप्स फेस करने पड़े एंड ही वाज नॉट केपेबल ऑफ फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट दीज मेनी स्ट्रॉन्ग रूलर्स एंड हिज सक्सेसर्स वर नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ टू फाइट अगेंस्ट दीज मेनी रूलर्स। तो इसलिए धीरे धीरे करके मुगल एम्पायर सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाया, ठीक है। बट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द मैसेजेस दैट आर कमिंग फ्रॉम हिज ग्रेव, एक तो फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज ये होगा कि ही वाज आल्सो द कंट्रोलर ऑफ हिज ग्रेव। व्हाई कंट्रोलर? बिकॉज he had decided कि if you see कि sons and his father or grandfathers, ठीक है, they used to build the tomb for their parents, their father, और वो बहुत बड़ा बड़ा tombs होता था। His son were not capable enough to build such huge tomb for him, and he, because of his decision that he wanted to be in a very humble form, grave, इनका tomb बहुत ही simple होना चाहिए। So he was also one of the controller of this decision कि मरने के बाद भी how should people remember them, ठीक है, remember him। And talking about whether he was a religious bigot or not, going by the religious policies that Aurangzeb was following, to some extent he was religious bigot, ठीक है। As we discussed कि वो किसी भी sect other than the Sunni Islam that he was following, और किसी भी इस्लामिक सेक्ट को भी वो नहीं फॉलो करते थे, ठीक है। But if you see the messages, if he has written just before his death, he has written in his books कि Kailashnath, he had been to Kailashnath temple at Ellora, and he was saying that this is a marvelous work of art, a place where a person will feel religious. So if you hear such kind of messages, you will automatically be able to understand कि maybe he was a religious bigot, but to the end of his career, to the end of his life, not even career, to the end of his life, he decided कि ultimately इतना strong, इतना staunch, इतना fanatic, इतना stringent होने से कोई फायदा नहीं है। Ultimately we all need to be very very humble, ठीक है। और औरंगजेब के टोम का डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ लेट, जो भी पॉलिटिशियंस से स्टेटमेंट्स आ रहे हैं कि औरंगजेब के टोम का डिस्ट्रक्शन विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ हिंदू प्राइड। उस टोम को डिस्ट्रॉय करके क्या फायदा? बिकॉज दिस टोम इज ऑल्सो द प्लेस ऑफ वन ऑफ द सूफी सेंट्स। दिस टोम इज ऑल्सो द प्लेस वेयर सो मेनी minorities of the country will come and pray, ठीक है। तो वो this kind of messages that are coming up कि destruction of Aurangzeb's tomb will be part of Hindus' pride, this may not be putting them in a correct position, ठीक है। Lastly, we need to question out this statement कि we need to answer this question कि is Aurangzeb a representative of all the Mughals, and is all the Mughals a representation of all the Muslims in the country, या कहीं कोई लाइन है जो कि मिस हो रही है, which we have not sufficiently thought about, ठीक है। So with this note we conclude our discussion. Now talking about the prelims program, we have a all India prelims test series, free all India prelims test series that you can take up. You will be getting a ranking just like an all India, the timings and all everything will be the same, and you will be getting an all India rank, ठीक है। So I would suggest you, advise you that you can come, please come and take the test. This is a free mock test. This will give you an exam like environment. That exam like feel ki whatever nervousness जो आप exam में जा करके feel करोगे वो आप अभी ही feel करके you can cool down, calm down yourself. ठीक है? With that note, we come to the end of this video. I wish you all the very best and thank you so much.